my channel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So math is a fun as you use flashcards. With these flashcards, kids can remember and learn in an easier way. You can make children learn counting, addition, subtraction, etc. with pictures and flashcards. So first I have taken cardboard sheet and cut it into 20 identical cards, or you can say about the size of playing cards. As you know, making flashcard is not only a great craft but also a great opportunity to practice counting numbers with additions. And then I wrapped it with white paper. You can wrap it with any other colored paper. I know there are other number of flashcards out there, but when I teach my child I wanted to design by my own. And truly it makes me so happy that something I have created is helping so many of you teach your own kid. Actually, I designed these flashcards in puzzle as kids love to play puzzles, so I cut it into puzzle shape. And then I made borders to make it more attractive for kids. And then I simply drew the numbers large and clear enough for your child to recognize it immediately. Simply I also made pictures of numbers and colored them. If you can do it with your child, then they can also help you. And earlier I had created set of alphabet and Hindi Swarnmala and sums by flashcards for enhancing children's reading skill, and I have left the link in description box. You can check if you want to. I also shared the fun way to play and learn with alphabet flashcards. And each card has its personal touch, as I made all the pictures and objects like candy, balloon, butterfly, ice cream, cake, which are favorite to my kid. You can also make according to your kids' likes. As we use fingers to count, add, subtract, and that proves that fingers are the great tool for maths. More to this, visual arrays are another tool which helps kids building the math relationship. So this helps kids fast and automatic recall. It's an interesting activity for kids for guided learning. If your kid is shy, then speaking loudly can help kids learn math facts easily. When your kid reads these easy tricks, speaks and listen to it, then this way they connect to it and recall it better. So these easy flashcards takes less time to make and your child can have tightening up their counting skills. As it includes number identification, counting, representation like connecting the idea of 5 to 5 objects, sequencing and basic of subtraction like I created simple way with objects from easy to medium and like 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So I hope you like it. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of new updates of my videos. So after a while of practicing, your child will begin to learn the patterns beginning with the simple 1, 2, 3 and so on. So eventually this can become a learning game of speed. So we can say to our kid, count how many fruits, butterflies, stars, lollipops are in each card. Now take away the darker picture or other colored picture. Now how many are left? So he or she can attach the right puzzle card to make it puzzle. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.